Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the Mercedes AMG GLS 63 4MATIC Plus. In my opinion, one of the best specced and fully optioned. You can already see it from the monoblock AMG rims. This is Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes AMG's largest 7-seater. It is 5 meters and 25 centimeters in length, very close to the S-Class long wheelbase. So in this video I will show you the full exterior interior. We will take it for a drive. And it doesn't matter from which angle you are approaching the GLS. It looks stunning, like a really big family SUV. Also very aggressive and sportive with the AMG exhaust tips. This one doesn't have the night package, so the diffuser is in chrome. Also the sides around the windows. So let's check out the front. And we will walk alongside these massive rims. Fully optioned, but they only missed the center part. It will arrive later in a few days, because that is the Mercedes emblem and the V8 BiTurbo emblem 4MATIC Plus. And as you can see, today we are at a golf club near Retzikon, because this car belongs to Auto Trassler. And approaching it from this angle, you can already see it has the Panamericana grille. With the chrome parts in the front, it actually really has something of the MAYBACH design. Also with these rims. 14 vertical lines. And yes, it has 3 lines for the headlights, indicating that this is part of the S-Class family. So without further ado, let's have a look at what is under the bonnet before we go actually inside. A beautiful bright interior with very special wood in a luxurious way. Soft closing doors, of course. And there you can see a V8 BiTurbo producing over 612 horsepower, 850 Nm of torque, from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 3.4 seconds. So let's close the bonnet and we'll take it for a drive. It has soft closing doors, of course. And in the interior you can see a beautiful bright color. And this very luxurious light brown wood with lines. The same goes for the seats, bright perforation and leather stitching, AMG design. So let's go inside. Burmester surround sound stereos all over the door and also on the side of the ceiling. So let's close the door. A beautiful AMG steering wheel with a flat bottom design, 2 vertical lines, and here you can see the ambient lighting around the Burmester surround sound stereo, also on the side of the ceiling. Besides the driver's seat and the driving area, we should definitely have a look at the rear seats, because this, as I mentioned, is Mercedes AMG's largest 7-seater. So I will enter from the other side to enjoy this smaragd green exterior color. Let's have a look. Amazing. You can already see it has the curtains as an option, with beautiful brown trim for the door, Burmester surround sound stereo, and a very large panoramic roof with 3 seats in the second row. If I move the back and press this button over here, the 2 seats will move forward. And there you can see it is very easy to enter the rear seats, 3rd row. Amazing. An additional space for 2 people. As you're putting it back, the first seat is also back in position. Amazing. So let's get inside. Also in the rear, soft closing doors, of course. You have your air vents. And this one is the thermomatic air vent system, so 4-zone climate control. It has this cup holder with heated and cooling function. And again, a beautiful full panoramic roof all over the ceiling. Over here, an additional infotainment system display. Storage space with a wireless charging pad for your phone. And yes, in the rear there's also some trunk space. Let's go. And we will listen to the sound. So I will just press the button for the electronics to work. And we will put it into Sport Plus with the dynamic select switcher over here. Sport Plus, and let's listen to the sound. I will hold the upshift for the emotion start. Sound is amazing. Let's take a left turn. And currently it is in the Sport Plus mode. So the sound is very amazing. The exhaust valves opened. And just listen. The GLS 63 really has this exterior look of a very heavy family SUV. But once you drive it, it feels so confident, especially when cornering. And when you have the E-Active body control, it actually counters the corner. But this one is fitted with the air body suspension, so that means a very comfortable way of driving. So that's why I will put it into comfort mode, and this is also the mode I would use the GLS 63 most of the time. And when you want to hear this rumble, you just put it into the exhaust button, and then you have this rumble on the background. But when you really want to cruise, you just deactivate it. And this is also a trend that we see with the SUVs in this last decade. They are very comfortable on the Autobahn, and they reach crazy speeds and accelerate very confident. The top speed is limited to 250 km an hour, but when you have the AMG performance pack, there is no limit and it can easily reach 300 km an hour. And yes, it has the newest MBUX, so you can actually talk to your Mercedes and say, "Hey Mercedes,
Ja, bitte.
Aktiviere Head-Up Display."
Das Head-Up-Display wird angezeigt.
Perfect. So right now you can see the head-up display in action. It is very wide and you can display different settings. For example, the navigation system display. And also your AMG performance settings. We are on our way to Auto Traxler in Wetzikon, and they have ordered this very special Smaragd Green GLS 63, a beautiful customized vehicle. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video with the GLS 63, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye bye.